This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorbers replacement. Apply the parking brake. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Support the rear axle with a floor jack placed under the coil spring pocket closest to the shock absorber being removed. The jack must remain in this position throughout the entire procedure. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and washer. Obtain a new bolt for installation. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting bolts, then remove the rear shock assembly from the fender well. Place the shock absorber mount into a vise and tighten the vise securely. Using an offset box end wrench and a socket, remove the shock absorber damper nut and slide the shock absorber out of the mount. Remove the damper bumper and sleeve from the shock absorber. Slide the damper bumper and sleeve onto the damper shaft, then insert the shaft into the mount and tighten the damper nut securely. Install the shock absorber into the fender well. Position the upper shock mount onto the body, then install the bolts. Tighten the shock upper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the new shock lower mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels. Release the parking brake.